Hello everybody! Guess what I got from the Amazon Prime? This is... Alright! Beyblade Legends BB-43 L-Drago 100HF. Right here. This is a Beyblade Legends BB-43 L-Drago 100HF, which refers to the first of left spin tops. It also has a red tag, which is a for attack type. And we will talk about the L-Drago first motif. Ooh, that's a really so awesome. And once and forever, this is known as Forbidden Beyblade due to the let's spin the gimmick in the anime version, which served as the main antagonist of the first season of a metal saga called Metal Fusion, and it's owned by the Ryuga. The Ryuga to absorb negative emotions like anger, fear, anxiety, drama, and etc. negative perspectives to achieve its own power and hunt its skills to ruin the world and cover it with darkness. Darkness, not to be confused with darkness, which serves as one of the Bakugan attributes representing darkness. Sorry about that, but yeah, my fisheye lens is acting freaking weird. It's acting weird. So anyways, we have the L-Drago 100HF, whose picture has been taken for the fantasy scene. And this box says let it rip on the left side of the front view of this package. This is the barcode as well from Amazon.com Prime. And also, we have the same logo like a Beyblade Legends. We have the BB-43 L-Drago 100HF components. This is the face bolt that I will have gone over it just like before, and for the energy ring L-Drago with the 2 defenses and 5 attacks. And we have the fishing wheel like a lightning with 6 attacks, 1/2 of the stamina and 1/2 of the defense. And for the Spin Dragon 100, which serves as a low profile, it can have the 2 attacks. And performance tip for HF. Hold flat tip for steady attack, 3 staminas and 4 attacks. Attacks representing red stars. Oh wait, just a second. My camera is not that right. So yeah. Whew, very much better. Very much better. We have the 1 red star representing attack and a yellow star for the defense and green star for the stamina. and also included a separate yellow Legends base stadium, which looks like the same model as a Hasbro base stadiums with a rectangular square shapes and no exits like a Sonocom base stadium. Excuse me about the helicopter. Excuse me about the helicopter, because I just wanted to make the garage looks open. Look really open, very have a good setting for my video. And for the Beyblade Legends, I really got the Galaxy Pegasus and L-Drago as my birthday gifts. So I will be posting this where I originally uploaded on YouTube. I also already got the Twisted Temple, the 145WD, Burn Fireplace, the 135MS, and Rock Leon, the 145WB. I'm going to get the second and last copy of Hades Curveback Speed D145DS without the stickers, in which you don't need to put them on. And third and last copy of Hasbro Storm Pegasus 105RF. So I can do the switches like this. Here we go. Now I will fast forward as I open this package. So okay, I have a curved black ripcord. Should I say we got here is a curved ripcord, left spin ripcord, in which I'm going to straighten up. Navy blue too, with a Hasbro information of distributing metal cycle base, which already discontinued in 2014 later that. Instructions, because I ain't an expert of that, I really don't need it. And here we have the white launcher with the black L-Drago full body, just in the full body. For frontal face with the 2 whiskers and 3 protrusions per both sides on the edge of the L-Drago's head. And we have daggers like a hairy thinking on its back. Four legs, which looks similar to that fingers of an Allosaurus, and it also has a twisted on it, and it has a fiery furry tail on it. And also there's a base where you can put the baseball sticker, but it has to be the corresponding motif. And these prawns, this is what it should works on the lead spin. Otherwise, you can feel free to use the hyper equator to do the reverse spinning. So we got here is L-Drago 1 motif, whose color is a navy blue. Yes, I got the focus. I got a freaking focus. We have the white printed that has a L-Drago name below the head of dragon of the same name. We have here is the four horrible like spears like Harry Zeke on the backfield of its neck. And also the blue outlines for the lower body, lower part of the neck. And we also have the scale details. And the L-Drago with the whiskers, it looks like it has a head, horns. For the L-Drago's the face, it has the horns, the facing backward, and the hairy chin. Hairy the part between its face and neck. It hairy part on the lower part of its neck. And also it looks like the L-Drago feature. Yes, it looks like a dragon. Here we have the L-Drago 1 energy ring, whose color is clear, pretty much like a transparent. It's really awesome, brand new. It also has a base which you can put the Hasbro corresponding stickers, and yes, and otherwise, just in case you can put the golden bling bling sticker on the completely L-Drago top, like the L-Drago 100HF, just like the Beyblade Geeks did on YouTube. And when it comes to the energy ring, 3 dragon has share the same thing. It has the upper jaw and the upper view of the L-Drago with each two that looks like each two the mountain peaks that kind of looks like that's of a Velociraptor from Jurassic Park 3, I guess. And it also has an eye on it. And throughout we have the gills on its neck, and we also have the 2 red horns, in which you can see it kind of looks like that of those dragons in the oriental appearance that has horns on it. And that number is BB-09. This is what the back view of a L-Drago 1 baseball looks like. Here's all the like the slots in which you can work only for last spin launcher like this. Wait. Yes. Really so nice. Really so nice of L-Drago being competitive. And we have here the brand new L-Drago. Ooh, yes. Center with two curved lines that works with a less spin base only. You can get the 3 claws with the Three dorsal fins look like that of a shark. Claws. Each claw can consist of 3 metal fingers that can slash an opponent. Reinforced with the built-in on its backfield of each 3 claws. And also, we also have the 3 protrusions between the each 3 dragon scales. On the backfield, this one is completely flat. This L-Drago toggle can be configured into 2 modes. First being the upper attack mode, in which each 3 dragons can cover the plate, exposing the claws. And you can get absolute rapid attack mode with the L-Drago's heads, exposing the dragon scales and therefore covering the claws. And we also have here is a 100 spin track, whose color is a navy blue. As I described it myself, it has like a that looks like a top view of the house triangular roof, and we have the protrusion that it keeps the L-Drago components. We have the 2 protrusions shaped like a square that you can simply put underneath lightning fishing wheel like this. And it also have 2 halves of the circles, center with a perfect circle that has a hole on it. Last but not least is whole flat. When it comes to hasbro distribution, it has real files with the 2 halves of the perfect circles rather than the focusing on the pattern as Takara Tomy does. It has a hole on the flat end its tip, which you can experience the stability. And this is where it has a built in to make it more playful. Really awesome, huh? Now, for those of you who may not know how to fully assemble the metal fishing base, first you can put the energy ring on top of the fishing wheel. Then put the track underneath of the 1 fishing wheel. Or you can do the reverse or whatever you want otherwise. Here you can put the face bolt to tighten other components like the energy ring, fishing wheel, and spin track. Ooh, wow. Look at this L-Drago. I mean, lighting L-Drago 100HF looks pretty so cute because it's a brand new. It's all set for the battle. And this is what it looks like in the upper attack mode. So I have to say that thank you everybody for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, follow me on the Daily Motion and or the Vimeo account. Not to mention the controversial and critical Better YouTube. Do not forget to follow me on the Twitter and Instagram. And do not forget to like my page of my Beyblade Battle show. It can be either on the YouTube or the Daily Motion, in which I'm going to talk about with something wrong with Google and YouTube. And that's being said, bye bye everyone, and do not forget to let it rip.